Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I'm back with an update on the peel off base coat that I put on underneath these nails. These are my ice cream drip nails and I did put 2 coats of peel off base coat before I started this design. I glued on tips and then I did acrylic nails. So I'm going to show you guys how I take these off. So first I start with cuticle oil and I place that on all of my cuticle and I rub it in. Just trying to get the oil to, absorb into the cuticle areas to loosen that up. This is actually the next day and these nails have already started to lift. So it is time. But yeah, just go ahead and wiggle it and they come right off. So the previous video I did was with my silicone practice hand from Red Iguana, and I didn't use cuticle oil with that because the full cover tips are glued on and I didn't want the oil to loosen the glue that, that's holding the tips onto the silicone hand. So that's why I didn't use oil. It was fine. It's a fake hand. You can pop them off. But definitely if you're working with a client or on yourself, you want to use some type of cuticle oil. With my middle finger, it was on pretty good. So the back of my cuticle pusher, and then I added more oil and just kind of worked that into the nail. And with enough oil, it comes off. But yeah, this is a super easy way to remove acrylic nails, especially for someone like me who just like to wear nails only a few days and I like to change out my designs so often. I don't really care about it lasting, unless I'm like going somewhere or something. I love the ability to go ahead and take these off when I want and just to do more nails. So the peel off base coat is so much better for me than the nail guards. Like the nail guards actually hurt when I pulled those off, but there was no pain in this and they came off really easy. So I will leave a link to this peel off base coat. It's available from Amazon. That's where I got it from, so I'll definitely leave the link there. But yeah, this is how easy these acrylic nails came off. And as I stated before, I applied 2 coats of the peel off base coat to my natural nails and then I glued on nail tips and did acrylic and all that good stuff. So yeah, it works with acrylic on human nails as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.